We're looking for the best game day appetizer, and if you think you've got one, we want to see it. We're issuing a challenge to all of you out there to show us your best game day appetizer. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Micky at Live, Laugh, Love, and Pray and myself, This and That with Denise Jordan, is issuing a challenge to all of you to show us your best game day appetizer. And we just want to see what you got. Micky's already got hers planned. I won't tell you what it is, but she's already got hers planned, and she's going to be wowing you with her particular appetizer. She said it's known all across, I guess, the East, wherever Delaware is. And I have one of my favorites to share with you as well. So I want to see what you've got. And I know the appetizers were supposed to go up today, but Micky's been really sick, and she just couldn't get it done. So we pushed it back to the 13th. So here are the new details. The videos go up on Sunday, January 13th, anytime after midnight. I will create a playlist for you to pop your videos into the playlist, but the hashtag we're using is hashtag bestgamedayappetizers. If you use that hashtag, it should self-populate, but sometimes for whoever knows what reason, it doesn't happen. So if you need to go ahead and put the video in the playlist yourself, you can do that. So again, we are looking for your best game day appetizer. Videos go up on Sunday, January 13th, anytime after midnight. So now, what counts as an appetizer? I asked my husband, honey, what do you want to see at the Super Bowl party? He's like, what Super Bowl party? I'm like, any Super Bowl party. Not the Super Bowl party we're hosting, but just any Super Bowl party. And he said, chicken wings. Now, that's not my forte, but lots of men love chicken wings at a Super Bowl party. What do your guys like at their Super Bowl parties? What do your girls like at their Super Bowl parties? We're really looking forward to seeing some very interesting appetizers. So hopefully you guys will join us. Christy at Inspired by Christy, I know you like appetizers, and I've seen some of the things you've done, so please jump in and join us. If you're new to my channel, check me out, and if you like what you see, subscribe. And if you're unfamiliar with Micky's channel at Live, Laugh, Love, and Pray, go on over there, take a look around, and if you like what you see, subscribe. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I hope to see you and your best game day appetizer on Sunday, January 13th.